What are the most common myths millennium managers believe about Gen Zs and how they can unlearn those things? Because we millennials once learned, we are hardbound, right? So, how do you
Exactly.
look at this pointer?
This is a very interesting question, I would say, because the myths, the list goes very long. That the
Hmm.
first thing
Hmm.
which I have heard all millennial managers and leaders talk about is very clearly or very bluntly they say the Gen Z is not serious about what they are doing.
Hmm.
You know,
Okay. Hmm.
they don't have the go-getter attitude. Another thing which they say, these people are not committed to what they do. But actually, I would say it is the other way around completely. They are very serious about what they do, but in their own ways. Now, there
Hmm.
was one interaction I would take an example here, which I was having with one of the leaders, and he was like, I called this chap at 9:30 p.m. and I wanted this file, and he told, I'm sorry, sir, I will only be able to give it to you by tomorrow. He is
Hmm.
not serious about what he's doing. And I had to go back and tell him that you are actually invading his private personal time. It's not that he cannot give you, but it is his personal time. So we have to understand this, that as millennials, we are famous, we are infamous to extend our work hours and bring our work home. Okay. We are infamous for spoiling our work life balance. Our next generation have learnt it from us, and they're very clear to draw their boundaries. They are not something that they're not serious about their work. No, they're very serious, they're very committed, and they have been born with a silver spoon, is something which I've heard all the managers talk. No, even if they have been born with the diamond spoon, I still say that they have their own struggles in their own way. They the way they look at, okay, the second thing is they do not communicate. The other thing which I've heard all leaders say, they do not communicate, they don't have sense of communication. We need to understand something, that they communicate in their own way. It is just a different way of communication.